right-handed people, this side of the face is a bit hard. What's this close? I definitely recommend the structure first.
In this video, we'll show you how our mentor, pro-Japanese manga artist Nao Yazawa, gives feedback on our students' artworks. This is the perfect opportunity if you're a self-taught artist and you're not sure whether what you're doing is right or not. If you've been second-guessing your art for years, then make sure to stick around. Yazawa-sensei will be correcting some common beginner mistakes that I'm sure you're probably also guilty of. Don't forget to prepare your pen and paper to take down some notes. At the end of this video, we'll reveal some resources that can help you improve your own art so you can feel more confident and excited about your unique talent. In case you don't know who Yazawa-sensei is, she actually has about 30 years of experience in the professional manga industry. She even got her work adapted into an anime. If you want to know more about her, we have a couple of videos featuring her journey and tips. Make sure to check them out. We'll put the links in the description. If you want to see more anime and manga drawing videos like this, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's critique this first artwork.
A very dramatic expression, especially the mouth, is really nice. So if you can give some comment on this part in the head part, I'm not sure because its hair is going like this way. But this part, so eyes, the head face is a bit unsure. Maybe this artist are right-handed. Right-handed people, this side of the face is a bit hard. This side is easy. I'm not sure about this cloth structure. What design of the cloth, I'm not sure. I can tell what's inside. Is this a hard shoulder? If it is a hard shoulder, because of this shoulder line, arms line must be like this. So it doesn't make sense. Or if something like this, it might be slightly kind of down. I don't see this process. I definitely recommend the structure first, kind of like this. Air the heart waist. Then it's go, I'm not sure. If looks like this part is elbow, but the clothes. This part must be on elbow line, unless it's extremely hard, plastic like clothes. Color is very nice. This part is very precisely. So then draw this inside. It's very nice. Compare with the top part. This part is not sure on how it goes. Of course, it's kind of manga, so it's quite unrealistic. But still, especially this type of the cute girl, so action story like Dragon Ball, not so care about this part. But this type is a cute girl, so this frill, other part of the frill or end part like this. This is a typical apron design. When you draw clothes, outline, inner line, fold, fine line. Again, this one I'm not sure about structure. I understand it. And maybe it's the shoulder. So what's this clothes? I'm not sure on how it goes. If from here is the body line, something like this. So this hand doesn't make sense. It's very long arms. This part is behind the hair, so not sure. If something like here, maybe okay. But in this case, upper arm is very long. Again, so that we may keep the whole body balance. Good drawing structure. Chest part, waist part, and the shoulder. This character is very beautiful and very, yeah. But here again, slightly like this way. So this is eye hole. So eyes position is slightly lower than eyes here and the cheekbone. So this is eye hole. And on eye hole is eyebrow. And I think this is nice touch because the camera is looking from slightly above and not straight. So if the camera from low angle, it must be like this. And the straight camera position is here. It is a horizontal eye level. Neck part here. Body part like this way. As a balance, this part is a slightly. It's all about this body structure. It kind of looks like a very slim shoulder. You might say this is a style, one of the style, because the manga, as a manga character, is a lot of styles, very, very little shoulder or close to the realistic proportion. So the first thing, how the neck, shoulder, and from shoulder, with the rib bone, so male and female is almost the same. Then if there's a female breast part, center is something like this from above shoulder down, and inside the arm. Then put the clothes on. If this wearing belt, please tuck inside the belt. So this part has fold, and this part has air. This part is really nice. This artist drew very well. And so this part is some fold because it's a shoulder inside, push from underneath. So fold go down. This part is really nice. Keep the same tension here as well. Base is like this idea and go inside. And it's something like this long clothes. And if you make more place here and little fine line.
What were your biggest takeaways from Yazawa-sensei? Did you realize you were also doing the same mistakes? Share your insights in the comments. If you're a beginner anime and manga artist and you had to put your art aside because of other responsibilities, but feel like now is the right time to go back to your passion, then we invite you to sign up to our free basic anime drawing masterclass. We give you more basic anime drawing tips and the push of inspiration that you need to get back into your art and keep practicing. The link is in the description. See you in the free training.